Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn PLC programming, and I will show you with an example of lab report that how we will start PLC programming. So let me open it. Okay, so this is my own created lab report, which I use for my lab. So we will start from the very basic concepts, the XIO, XIC, and OTE. Let me highlight it. All right. So XIO stand for examine if open, and XI close stand for examine if closed. Open and examine if closed. So what does it mean by examine if open and examine if closed? As the name suggests, that examines if open, then when the input of this switch, this is basically switch, virtual switch, which is used in PLC ladder logic programming, and XIO is a basically switch which is used to examine the input. Okay, XIO all right. XIO is examine if open, as I explained earlier, and XIC is examine if closed. And examine if closed is basically a switch which examines the input, and when the input becomes 1, it sends the output to the further program, which is when the input is equals to 1, the output is equal to 1, and when the input is equals to 0 or false condition, then the output is also false condition. This is the explanation for examine if closed. And the second one, it is a certain type of virtual switch which is used in PLC programming. It examines the input when it is false. I will elaborate it that when the input is equals to 0, it gives output is equals to 1, and when it is getting input is equals to 0, it output is equal to 1, and when it is getting input is equals to 1, it gives output is equals to 0. So it is basically like NOT gate, which we use in DLD programming. So this is it, and now we will move further to OTE. So OTE is stand for output enable. So OTE is used. It is a virtual output which is used in PLC programming, and it is used to examine the output. For example, we have used XIC switch in one ladder, and we have given it one condition, which is a true condition, and it also gives, as I explained earlier, it will pass on true condition, so it will pass on 1 further. So for examine this condition, we will use OTE in front of XIC, so that we can examine the output, whether it is open, closed, even, or false condition. So this is output enable. So these three things are basic in this lab report, which we are going to elaborate. So we are using Allen Bradley PLC, and the software we are using is Logix Pro. So the software we are using is Logix Pro, and I will briefly explain Logix Pro also. when we will go on it. Then the PLC stands for, as this is mentioned, Programmable Logic Controller, and this is we have certain type of controller with very much efficient function like microcontrollers, microprocessors, and as you know, we also have other type of controllers like FPGAs and different. And but we the question is that why we use PLC in industrial applications. Uh, as I explained, it is used in industrial applications because of it. It is capable of bearing the rough and tough conditions of industry. And it is also very easy to program it with the ladder logic. I will explain also what is mean by ladder logic later. So, as I explained, it is used to implement the ladder logic, uh, and with this ladder logic, we use simple input and output switches, and then make a logic of different things. We will further see in next lab, inshallah. Okay, then this is the basic thing which is used in ladders. This is called rung. Rung is basically you can take it as when we have these steps, then the first step is first rung, the second step is second rung, the third step is third rung, as so on. So now PLC have 13 inputs and 9 outputs in one card. Basically, PLC have different cards, and when you need more than this criteria of inputs and outputs, so we will use new card, and we attach to it, and we will increase our efficiency. Okay. All right. And the card is called port. The port which we use in Logix Pro is port 0 by default. So it is a microcontroller, as I explained earlier, to use in industries. PLC. Okay. This thing I have explained earlier. Okay. Then the examine if closed is represented by this icon in the PLC ladder, and further examine if open is represented with this type of. Okay, so the examine if open is represented by this icon in PLC ladder logic. As you can see, it has two types of lines, and between that line it is a crossing line. So examine if open, you can remind it as when it is written as open, you can remind it as it is closed from the inside. So alternate things are used. Both type of switches, the examine if open and examine if closed, have different type of uses in the PLC ladders in industries. So PLC is used maximum to control the switches, and to control the motors, and to control the conveyor belts, and different type of things. So OTE, as I explained earlier, OTE is like the output enable, your output energize. Okay, I have made a mistake earlier. It is energize. Okay, so it is used to observe the output. Okay, then we will move further. OSR is also I think one short rising, and for now we will move on. This is the procedure. We will skip it because I will explain it to you when I will use the software, which is Logix Pro. Okay, so we will move to Logix Pro, and then we will make our ladder logic. So we will open Logix Pro. I will also give, if possible, link of Logix Pro under the description. So this is the interface of Logix Pro as we open it, and then it has many parts. In this upper ribbon, you can see that this switch examine if closed if we point on it, and this switch which is examine if open, and this is OTE which we have seen earlier in the theory, output energize. So we will make a simple ladder logic program. This is a ladder. This is one rung. The one ladder is called one rung, and uh, when we click on it, this switch, you can see it, we will move on to make new rungs like this. And when we have to delete a rung, we will click on the number and simply press delete on the keyboard. So for example, we will implement a AND gate in this ladder logic. So for this, click on it, click on the switch and drag it to this red block, and when it turns out green, then drop it. Okay, and then we will select another switch and place it like this. So the first step, and for obtaining the output, for example, we also have to choose an OTE. So OTE is this, and these are two switches, and we will make simple AND gate using this. So for we have to give the input numbers, and let's say the we have to specify which input and which output we are using in the PLC card for port. So for this, we will go to simulations, input output simulator, and then this is very funny song. So we will drag this input 1:1 and then drop it on this one. This will assign it as address. Input I for input column is for spacing, and 1 is the input number, and 0 is the port. So uh, we will we will not use the same input number because we have already used it, and then we will use another input in this one. Okay, so for the output OTE, we will use output 0:200. So this one, as you have seen, okay, that the output and the inputs have assigned the numbers and addresses so to specify the PLC that which input and which output we are using. So we will to run this program, we will simply go to the offline, a button close to offline, and then download to PLC. This will download this program, this ladder logic to PLC, and will enable it for working further. Then when it is completed downloading, then we will go to the same thing and then go online and then run. Okay, now we have to do everything with these two switches. So for AND logic, as we know that when both inputs are 0, the output is 0. There is no light indicating here, and also here this is light which is indicating the output. So this means that 0 is 0 satisfied. So now second logic is 1 0. So as you have seen that this is turned red and this is turned yellow. This indicates that this input is enabled. So as you have seen, the AND gate is 1 0 is 0. So this is true. And then we will go to third logic, 0 1. 0 1 is also, you can see that this is it, and it is true. Then now the fourth logic is that double input is equals to, when A and B both is equal to 1, the output is equals to 1, let's say. So we will make the both the inputs 1, and you can see that this is highlighted. This indicates, and this also light of output column 2 is highlighted. This indicates that the output is enabled, and we have successfully made a AND gate. So you can also use, so for giving um, for moving out from the programming, we will use this switch and go offline. Then we can make further changes like moving switches from here to there and etc. We also have timers, counters, different type of timers and different type of counters, input output comparators, and different things in PLC. We will see it further, inshallah, when we will move forward in this lecture series. These are latch and non-latch. These have specific working in it. So I hope that you got it. Inshallah, if you have any queries, you can ask me on the comments. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.